everyone, welcome back to STNK, and today we have a very special unboxing. This has been my #1 most wanted plush, and I really can't believe I got it. I'm super excited to open this, so let's just get right into it. Let's get this first tape off. Okay, that's off. Oops. Alrighty. So I've been trying to get this plush for a very long time, and ever since the first time I saw it, I've wanted it, and I've been messaging sellers and stuff like that, and I finally got it. Okay, guys, this is the first look. I'm actually like crazy. Fist is here with me right now.
Yeah.
So let's just take this off. Oh my goodness, guys! Guys, look at him. Look how cool his fists look. This is so cool. So I just love all the details. He's very soft. I noticed that. He's very soft.
But he does have a little marker.
He has a little mark up here. But they said it probably could be washed out. They just never tried because of how rare it was. But this is gonna be the main Knuckles in our videos now. I love how they did his shoes and everything. So this is the 2007 release of Sane Knuckles. If you guys know what that is, then you know how rare it is, but his nose is really good because most of them go either down or too far up.
I've heard from videos he's really soft.
So, yeah.
He really is soft.
Anyways, so yeah, he has a little thing there. There's no tag on him, but I got him for a really fair price for this condition. So, I really hope you enjoyed this, and we're just gonna go through a couple more details. And this is kind of an unboxing and review video, but let's look at the details. So his mouth looks really good. I like this. This looks cool, and I like how they did it like a shade of brown instead of like black. It looks better when they do stuff like that. Also, this is the only Knuckles I could find that has a snout. He's an echidna. He should have a snout.
I mean, the 2012 version also has a big snout, so.
Yes, but there's so much to love about the Sanes. You know, they're special. They really paid attention to detail with the characters. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing video. This is gonna be our main Knuckles, and this has been STNK. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.